In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix 100% CPU usage on your Windows. So let's get started. So right click at the start button and here you have to select device manager. Now once you open the device manager window, you just have to simply locate system devices and look for the high precision event timer. So once you find the high precision event timer, make a right click and then select disable device. Now click on yes and close the device manager window. Then we have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type edit power plan. Click on that. And you will find this option change advanced power settings. Now here for the power options, make sure that you have choose the high performance. By default, this should be balanced, but in order to fix high CPU usage, just simply change that to high performance and click on apply and click on OK and then close this. Then click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate apps. And here you will find start apps that start automatically when you sign in. So we have to disable the unnecessary startup programs that should not automatically start whenever we are going to sign in into our Windows. So in order to simply disable that, you have to simply switch the button off, but not disable the Windows security notification icon because that is important startup app. You just have to do that for all the unnecessary startup programs. You just need to switch the button off from here. And then finally, we need to make a right click at the start button, shut down our sign out and restart our Windows to apply all the changes that we have made. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.